Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio for your earbuds Happy Plugs Joy. And firstly I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Enter into Accessibility, now scroll down, and in the hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, and right here at the third line, or if you have iOS 26 at the fourth line, you will have mono audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android, open Settings. Then we need to go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom in the settings. So we need to scroll down, here's Accessibility, tap at this line. Then we need to scroll down again, and at the bottom we will find Audio Adjustment. Here it is, click at this line also, and here's Mono Audio. To enable it, we need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!